Alright, I'm in the return line. It is 6:05 in the morning. We blasted 2 welds tonight, and there's some touch-ups to do on these welds, and then we'll be done with the return line as far as blasting. And then the next phase is prep and clean up. But this is what we did tonight. We did number 2, and we gotta get that edge right there. She's nice and shiny. But number 2 is having an issue. We have some seepage. That's not from us. That's from outside pressure coming in. That's number 2. There's exterior pressure, and it's pushing water and moisture inside the pipe. All right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 welds, and we will be out of here as far as blasting today. This is number... that one was a little extra, but the ones, those 2, and this is the 3rd one we were supposed to blast, number 3. We got some flash rust, but we'll take care of that with touch-up. But no there's no moisture coming into this coupling right here, or this flange. Everything else looks really good. There's a little flash rust, but nothing touch-up won't. Nothing a little touch-up will do, or can't do. All right, we got some more media. Sponge media we can clean up down here. Oh, we are running low. 2 pallets, 2 main circulating water lines. Oh, we got, and certainly don't want to sniff this shit. Oh, I'm sorry. Cussing. There's old Doug. Alright, there it is. That's the end. That's the end of it.
Yeah, but there's 5 right there, yeah.
Or the yellow hose, end of the yellow. Okay. Oh, what's up, Doug? Having fun in the tunnel.
All day long.
All day and all night. Alright, we've been blasting at number 5. This is what we did tonight. In one shift, we got all this done. We did great. And we got a little bit more, so. Alright, good. And then into the black hole. That's a gauge, pressure gauge or thermostat or something. And the black hole. And there's some water. Whoop. Muddy water. Yeah, well. Stuffy down here. Hey, probably everybody needs their breathers on, dude. It's like, it's so dusty down here.
That's like my hood.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Alright. Woo! Rock and roll, man. Rock and roll. Alright, so that's what we got done on Friday, Saturday morning. And we will make our mark. These welds will be done, and we'll be blasting the other line. And we'll get that done by Wednesday night. Alright, we'll see y'all later.